So this is the Gas One portable stainless steel cook stove, and I wanted to show you how easy it was to assemble and disassemble this little unit. So it comes in at about 1 pound and super easy to put together and put back together. We've got a tray here if you want to burn wood. There's a tray here if you want to burn alcohol. So assembling this is very simple. We just flip this over. We're going to get our tray because we're going to put our alcohol source, our heat source, in that. That other tray was too small for that. And then this is the pot holder. Now the pot holder, you can put a pot directly on it, but I'm going to put the barbecue grill on this. There we go. So we're just going to put this on here. And this is why I put the grill on there, because that wouldn't sit very well on top of the pot holder. So as you can see, that's really simple to put together. So let's see how easy it is to disassemble. Now be careful with those spikes on there, because I did cut my finger on them. They have little Sharpies on there, so just be mindful of that. But this goes back together completely, really quickly. The hardest part was kind of putting it back in the carry bag. But the carry bag is a nice mesh bag, so it's breathable. So if you put it in there a little damp after cleaning it, that should be okay. And then you go. This is a great little product. I highly recommend it, and I think you'll enjoy it.